If all the stars in the sky exploded at once, the universe would be thrown into an unimaginable cosmic catastrophe. Every star, from the smallest red dwarfs to the largest supergiants, would suddenly unleash all of their stored nuclear energy in a simultaneous universal chain of destruction. Our night sky would not just glow, it would ignite with blinding radiation, brighter than anything we have ever seen. The first thing that would reach us from neighboring stars would be an overwhelming burst of energy, powerful gamma rays, X-rays, and high-energy particles flooding every corner of space. These invisible but deadly waves would instantly strip away atmospheres of planets, including Earth's, leaving all life unprotected against cosmic radiation. Within moments, our biosphere would collapse, oceans would boil, skies would burn, and any traces of life would be vaporized. But even beyond Earth, the scale of devastation would be universal. Entire star systems would unravel as their planets were obliterated, ripped apart by shock waves and supernova blasts. Even black holes and neutron stars, remnants of stellar death, would multiply wildly as billions of stars collapsed into them at once, turning large portions of space into gravitational maelstroms. Galaxies themselves would begin to warp and destabilize under the sheer force of countless explosions, reshaping their structure. Cosmic dust and debris would flood interstellar space, creating massive clouds of destruction that would block light and scatter radiation across eons. The night sky, as we once knew it, would no longer exist. All constellations and the guiding stars humanity cherished for millennia would vanish. For observers anywhere in the cosmos, the universe would transform from a vast sea of twinkling lights into a terrifying void dominated by firestorms, collapsing cores, and spreading darkness. The simultaneous death of every star is not just the end of celestial beauty, it is the erasure of energy itself, the extinguishing of the very engines that power galaxies and give life a chance to exist. Without stars, planets would freeze in eternal darkness, black holes would reign unchecked, and what remains of space would be a graveyard of shattered matter drifting endlessly. In this scenario, not only would humanity and life as we know it cease instantly, but even the cosmos itself would enter a new and chaotic phase, far more violent and devoid of creation than anything we can imagine.